What's going on, guys? As we get ready for the trick-or-treaters, let's show you guys what we've done. We got candy on top of those guys. So we thought we'll show you real quick before anybody comes what we are doing. We got the green light over there, so let's get the Your Master hit it, and then we'll see what's going on. So let's show you guys. We gotta light up Caboose this time, so as soon as it gets darker, kids can see the train running, plus the headlights from the train. So hopefully in a bit we get some kids coming. So we'll try to make a video when the kids are coming picking up the candies as we stop the train. So we'll see you guys in a bit.